put. These are the same, and just like this, cut is same. The irregular verb to cut stays the same in all aspects of past tense. See the example. She cut the paper yesterday. It's about the past, yesterday. There we can see that put is not changed into put it. It will remain the same spelling, put. And if I use the word cut we have already used, we use the word put. We can use the same way. She put the paper on the table yesterday. It will also be the same. It will work in the same manner as it works in cut. Simple past aspect of the past tense. The irregular verb to cut stays the same in the past participle form. They have cut the paper already. Perfect aspect of the present tense. Why do we say it's perfect? Because it's using have. They have cut the paper already. So this is simple. This is present perfect tense. I had cut the paper before we arrived. That also use the perfect aspect of the past tense, because here we can see I had cut. So the past participle form of cut is also cut. The paper is going to be, will be cut. Remains the same in future as well. See, the paper is cut. Paper is cut by me or by anyone. The paper was cut, same. Spelling of cut will remain same. The paper is going to be cut by her, will remain the same, because as I told you in the beginning, this is irregular verb. It will not change the spelling in any aspect of past or present perfect or in future as well. The correct form of the verb in the following sentences. You have to decide which one is the correct form. I have given you several examples here. Some verbs are regular, some are irregular. Let's see this example. He quitted his job last week. So quit, the present form of quit is quit. If it's in present tense, there would be obviously quits. He quits his job every time. But this is about the last week, so here we have the perfect choice of quit. This is spelling Q-U-I-T, quit. And this is totally wrong. Why it's wrong? Because quit is actually the irregular verb. So this is the correct option that we have chosen in this sentence. Let's see many examples that carry verbs, irregular forms or regular, both forms of verbs. Choose the correct form of verb in the following sentences. She always puts lots of cream in her coffee. So this is about the regular practice. There we have the correct choice, puts. Okay, if it had been in the past tense, we could have chosen put. But this is about the regular habitual action or habit, regular practice that should be in the present tense. He hit his hat last night. What should be the correct answer in this? Let's see. It's about the last night. It should be past tense. He hit his hat last night. Hitted it is not a correct option. Hits is not the perfect choice as we are talking about the last night, the past tense. Here let's see another example. His hat hurted after he hit it. What is the correct choice? What do you think is the correct choice? Let's see. After he hit it, it means that it's about the past tense. So we can use his hat hurt. Okay, however, we can say hurts as well because it means that it is still hurting. Got it? So hurt is also the irregular verb. because it does not carry ed in any case, in any aspect of the past simple, past tense. The children play, another example is the children played soccer last weekend. Last weekend shows the past tense. Let's see which is the perfect choice in these options. Play, played and played. It is played because it is about last weekend. The children played soccer last weekend. Why we have chosen this? Because play is not the irregular verb, but it is regular verb. Here we use ed at the end of the verb. Okay. Now come to the next example. The arsonist set it fire to several houses in our neighborhood last year. So this is also about the past tense. So it should be, here we should use the past form of set. Let's see which is the perfect choice. Set, sets, set it. Sets does not have any option to carry because this is about the last year. It's about the past time. Set it and set. If we choose between the